Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain about camera animation and light animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Select a camera and click Object Data Properties to display each setting item. By inserting keyframes and parameters such as camera angle and focal length in this window, you can create animations with a variety of video expressions. Now, I'll try to set keyframe for focus distance. At frame 1, change the focus distance value to 0.5 meters. Right-click and select Insert Keyframe. Continue to change the position on frame 30. Change the focus distance value to 6 meters. Similarly, right-click and select Insert Keyframe. So we've added 2 keyframes. Press the space key to see what animation we have. In this way, you can create an animation that gradually focuses. Next, select a light and click Object Data Properties to display each setting item. As with the camera, you can create animations by inserting keyframes. Here, I'll try to insert a color keyframe in any frame. At frame 1, choose Color and Color. Right-click and choose Insert Keyframe. Move the position to frame 40 and choose another color and right-click and choose Insert Keyframe. Press the space key to see what animation we have. In this way, you can create an animation in which the color of the light changes gradually. Next, I'll explain how to create an animation while switching between multiple cameras. If you want to add a camera, press Shift+A in Object Mode and click Camera. Select Camera and press Ctrl+0. Then, the selected camera will switch to the main camera. Specify a frame on the timeline and switch any camera to the main camera by pressing Ctrl+0. Press Ctrl+B on the timeline to add a camera icon. This will set subsequent frames to be shot with the current main camera. Move to any frame and add a camera icon on the timeline by the same operation. Then, you can switch the camera viewpoint at the frame specified in this way. Next, I'll guide you how to make follow path and track to the camera. First, press Shift+A in Object Mode to add a circle from the curve. Press S to adjust the scale of the circle. After deciding the shape, select the camera, click Add Object Constraint from Object Constraint Properties. Then click Follow Path from the displayed constraints. Select the circle you added to target. If the camera does not come on the circle at this time, try moving the camera position to X0, Y0, Z0 and click Animate Path. Next, click Add Object Constraints and this time click Track To. When you select the object to shoot for, in other words, the target, the camera will point toward the object. When you press the play button on the timeline, the camera will move along the circle and always face the object in this way. If you press 0 to switch the camera viewpoint, it'll look like this. This concludes the explanation of camera in light animation. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.